on the next episode of Hoarders. Oh wow. It's almost all done. Wow. Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel if you're new here, or welcome back if you're an old subscriber. Long time no see. I'm so excited to be filming this video for you guys kasi this is my first video of 2021, and the reason why I decided it is because we were all stuck in our house for like a year. And it's no secret that especially us na mga young adults, we really prefer to spend most of our time in our rooms. And I've had my room the same exact way for 10 years. I just really felt like I needed a change of scenery. I needed to switch it up a bit. And siguro in a way, I wanted a more mature room. Because if you guys haven't seen my room before, I did a room tour. I will link it down below kung curious lang kayo. But my room was very, hindi naman childish, but it was super like pink. And not that I don't like pink anymore, I still love pink, but it was just too pink for my liking. And the way it was designed, parang I just felt like it wasn't me anymore because, you know, growth, constant growth, joke lang, char. But yun nga, syempre, we're growing as people and our styles change. It's completely normal and your aesthetic changes, and I think that's just what happened to me. My aesthetic changed and I just really needed to change it up. We are in our new room and I can't wait for you guys to see the whole process. I really managed to film almost everything for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I really had fun filming it, and I really had fun with the whole creative process of renovating my room. And I hope this inspires you if you guys want to renovate your room or just switch it up a little bit. This is your sign, go for it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, comment, do all the jazz, and enjoy. It's almost all the way empty. My gulay. My shoes. And my stuff. Oh my gosh. Grabe. Okay. Nice. On the next episode of Hoarders. Okay, so I already showered because my family and I had lunch, Sunday lunch. So I just want to check on the progress of the room. They started at around siguro mga 9:30, 10, and it's already 1 p.m. So let's see the progress of my room. Oh wow. It's almost all done. Wow. Cool. I think that na lang yung left na platform. This one, they're taking all of the flooring out. They're gonna replace it with this flooring. So yeah, they're removing all that. Okay, so I'm about to enter my room. Kasi magsi-skincare dapat ako kasi hindi naman nila ginawa yung bathroom ko. So all of my skincare stuff is still there. But I realized na hindi ako nakapag-update sa inyo guys kung ano nang itsura ng room ko. It's already like 11 p.m. Okay. Yan. So, this is where my cabinet used to be. Ganito kalaki yung cabinet ko, and it took up that much space. And it left me with just this much. So, that's why I decided to move my cabinet over here na. Dito na sa wall na to yung cabinet ko. So, it's the next day now, mga magto 2 p.m. na. The carpenters arrived here ng mga 10 p.m. but they didn't go inside my room agad because I know that they started working on my cabinet kasi I know that they did that from scratch. So, yung mga wood from the platform and the other stuff in my room. I think ginamit nila yun to make my cabinet. So let's check in on them. Mag-mask muna ako. Let's check in on them and see what they're up to. Ooh, that's the shelves. Hi, Kuya. Dito, ganyan siya. Eto dyan. Ah, okay. The tiles have arrived. So, ito yung flooring. Yan, nalalagay na nila. Lola and I are about to take her nightly walk. But before that, let's check on my room. So, you guys saw that they installed the cabinet. They also installed the flooring. So, we will see what it looks like now. Okay. Flooring is all done. This is how it looks like now. Okay, nice. So, it's day 3 of my room renovation. And I know ang pangat na angle na to, but let's just deal with it. So, just like I anticipated yesterday, today is the day na i-repaint yung room ko. Nothing new naman. Everything is just still all white. My dad just decided to have it repainted. Also, an update on my room decor. I've already ordered online on an IG shop yung arc mirror ko. So, I ordered 2 feet by 6 feet na arc mirror. I decided na frameless siya. So, yung mirror lang talaga. And then, meron siyang kasamang wood stand. So, ang tagal ko na actually gusto ng arc mirror. It's just that, yun nga, dun sa old room ko, wala talaga akong mapaglagyan. So, I'm so happy now na naka-purchase ako. Oh my gosh. Paalis na kami ng SM. Ngayon ko lang naalala na nag-vlog pala ako. But, nakapili na ako ng bed frame and mattress. I went from a double to a queen. Kasi sabi ng dad ko, it's hard to find double bed frames nowadays. So, he opted for a queen. Even though it's a little bit too big for my liking. Okay na yun. Para lang matapos na. Now, I think we're going to Evia. Kasi we're gonna shop for my cabinet. Yung patungan ng TV ko, which will also be my cabinet for my clothes. And then, yung bag rack ko. Gusto ni Dad sa All Home Evia kasi mas magaganda yung, and mas modern yung designs nila doon. I don't even know if you guys can hear me because I'm wearing a double mask. We're here at Evia. Ito na lang.
Kasi assemble na lang po sa bahay. Pipick upin yung naka-upspike. Pick up po naka-back.
So, we opted for a smaller or lower one na lang over that one. Ito yung kanina. Ito na lang daw, sabi ni Dad. Kasi this one is 3rd year. This one is made out of real wood kasi. The other one is laminated lang daw. So, we're getting this one. I'm just afraid that it won't store as much clothes as I wanted over this one. But, yeah. That's what my dad said. Oh, side table. Okay, so since meron tayong open space dun sa side table ko, I know that if I put stuff there, super maggugulo lang yung stuff dun. So I'm gonna look for like a basket, a small basket that I can fit inside there so that my stuff would be more organized, or at least it would look more organized. Here, so eto kasi yung gusto kong look sa room ko. Gusto ko puro ganyan yung parang pieces. Puro like, I don't know if you call this rattan or something, but yeah. Gusto ko sana ganyan lang lahat.
Delikado. Ayun mo nga sir, ang mo nga sir.
Uy, nakadiri yung ano mo.
Pop!
Ay, may kulang.
Bakit? Hindi, matibay yan.
Hindi nga naglalak. So, this is my room so far. So, we already have this. Napinturahan na rin siya. Everything is newly painted except nakalimutan ng painter to paint this. So, dati, purple talaga yung room ko. I know. And then, natabunan na and everything. And then, naging white. So, ito, since may mga cabinet dyan, hindi na siya nasama sa paint dati. Pero for some reason, nakalimutan ng painter. Ito. Okay, so nothing new. Same thing as last night. Ito lang yung bago. Pero hindi pa nagagawa, syempre. My dad bought these this morning. And ito yung parang sabi niya sa akin, laminates yan. High pressure laminates. And then, ganyan yung color niya. Almost the same as the floor. A little bit lighter lang. Kasi gusto ko talaga yung accent ng room ko is light wood. Or, basta wood. Ganon. So, yung laminates, ilalagay yan dito surrounding the cabinet. Kasi syempre, ayaw naman namin na ganito lang yung itsura niya. It looks so rugged. So, papatungan nila yan ng laminates. For it to look nicer and much more pleasing. Okay, so I'm downstairs kasi kakarating lang nung in-order ko kahapon na bed sheet set, and I wanted to show it to you guys in case I forget. So I ordered it from Neatens Manila on Instagram, and I ordered 2 of their 5-in-1 bed sheet set. So, yung kasama sa 5-in-1 is 2 pillowcase, isang fitted bed sheet, isang duvet cover, and isang duvet. So, I got it for 1,400 pesos. A little below that price pa naman, pero just an estimate, 1,400. Hi guys! Good morning! So, today is day 5 of our room renovations. Madami tayong iniintay na deliveries for the room today. But just a bit of progress update. Kaninang 7 a.m. dumating si Kuya Carpenter na lalaminate nung cabinets ko. He started early, which is great. I'm hoping that he can finish by like mid-afternoon. Super fingers crossed talaga. So, while we're waiting for our deliveries, yun yung nangyayari sa room ko. At least, simultaneous silang nangyayari and walang like, you know, dull time. The thing is, hindi ko mapapakita sa inyo yung process nung paglalaminate niya kasi in order for the laminating sheet to stick to the wood, they have to use rugby para strong daw talaga siya. And if you guys have ever gotten to smell rugby, as in kahit yung nadaanan mo lang, sobrang pangit ng feeling na maamoy siya. As in parang pag in-inhale mo, parang sinusugatan yung lungs mo. Ganon yung feeling. Unfortunately, makikita nyo na lang yung cabinet ko pag tapos na niyang i-laminate. So, here's my bed frame and my bed. Di ko in-expect ganito kataas. 11 inches daw yung height niya. And na-shock ako kung gano'n siya kataas. So, ito pa lang yung, shams. Ito pa lang yung nalalaminate niya. Itong part. I feel like it's hard kasi to laminate everything. He laminated the wall na rin, yung hindi na pinturahan. Para mukha siyang isang malaking contraption. So, ito pa yung gagawin niya, pati yan. So, yeah. Mall kami. So, hindi ko siya napakita sa inyo when it arrived. And it's pretty heavy. It has a wood stand. Hindi siya pinastand ng dad ko kasi sabi niya mas bababasag daw siya. Oh my gosh, I'm a bit scared. Just pretty heavy. So, before we end this vlog, ito yung overview ng room ko as of now. So, ayan lang siya. This is my new mirror. Tapos, ito yung natapos ni Kuya Laminator. 50% lang yung natapos niya. Bukas, ito naman daw. Yeah, that's it, guys.